Hello. Today we will learn about the phrasal verb grow out of. It has two main meanings. First, it means to become too big for something, like clothes. For example, I grew out of my shoes. Second, it means to stop liking or doing something as you get older. For example, she grew out of playing video games. You use grow out of with a direct object. The structure is subject to grow out of something. Remember, you cannot separate grow out of. We say, he grew out of his jacket, not he grew his jacket out of. This phrase is common when talking about children and their clothes. It's also used for habits or interests that change. For example, many people grow out of bad habits. In the past tense, we say, grew out of. For example, I grew out of my fear of spiders. Now try to use grow out of in your sentences. It helps you talk about change and growth naturally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.